Hello, good morning students. Welcome to another lecture from St. Thomas High School, Mahua. So, today in English we'll study what Mullah Nasruddin's activity number 3 that remaining, it was remaining in last lecture. So, what we have completed in last lecture up to this. Do you think that Mullah Nasruddin is given an appropriate advice? What other ideas according to you can be suggest? Can he suggest? That you have to think that which idea that he can suggest, and you have to discuss with your friends. This is an activity. This you have to do by yourself. So I request all the parents that please, if I am giving the activity that you have to do home, please make sure that your child is doing that activity, because it is very good for the brain. It increases the level of thinking. So just please do the activity this at home. You can ask also. You don't have to share or discuss with your classmate. Then you can just ask and you have to make them to give the answer. Okay. Let's start now. The next day the man came to Nasruddin, looking very distressed, and said, "Now it is 6 human, 10 chicken and a donkey inside my house." That what before Mullah Nasruddin told that you first you bring 10 chickens and put in your house. Then problem is not solved. Then next day Mullah said, bring donkey and put in your house. Next day, then also problem was not solved. Now it's 6 human, 10 chickens and donkey. This much people in little bit space they are living. It is so crowded that one can hardly move. So no one can able to move, because 10 plus 1 16 and donkeys 17 persons are there. How in a little house? First it was 6, then the problem is solved. That's 6 only. It was difficult, but not that much difficult. Now the chickens and donkey all are living then. Nasruddin replied, "You can a goat too." Nasruddin replied, "You can a goat too, don't you?" "Yes, I do," said the man. Then he is asking that you have goat na too. So yes, that neighbor is saying, "Yes, I have got." Got means you know na, got, G-O-A-T, got, like that. Great, Nasruddin said, "Take it inside the house too." That also you put in your house. 10 chickens, 1 donkey, and then goat also you have to put in your house. The man objected, "No, that he is doing. This is not possible. How is that to solve anything?" He is in in angry mood and saying that how it is possible that we can live together like that. But Nasruddin once again convinced him to do as he said. Then once again Nasruddin said, "First, what I will tell you have to do only." Like that he is telling. So he followed the advice of Nasruddin. The next day the man walked up to Nasruddin in a state of anger and distress and said, "Your plan has made our life miserable." The next day in full angry mood, "That your plan, like doing, has made us more miserable. Danger. We cannot live like that." In angry mood. "Your plan has made our life miserable. The house is now so crowded that we are founding." So now he is telling, now our house is more crowded than before. You are telling that I am doing, so my house is more crowded. It is difficult to even breathe. To breathe like that, it is very difficult, he is saying. My family is upset and everyone is complaining about lack of space. My whole family is upset that please put out this person outside and that. And more lack of space, because small space and space. And many much person have to live in that, like that. Don't get so upset, friend. Mullah Nasruddin said, don't get upset. Go back home and take all the animals back outside. Then he is telling, you go back to home and put your all the animals outside. The man did as he was told. Then Mullah told that man. The man did exactly the same. Next day the man came across Nasruddin. He was beaming. He said, I must thank you. Next day what he come and he said, Mullah Nasruddin, thank you. Mullah, your plan has worked wonders. Your playing is so nice. It has worked wonders. Now that all the animals are outside, there is enough space in the house for all the family members. So he is telling, now all the family, all the animals I have put outside, so we have that much space that we can live. And everyone is happy and content with the house now. So now he is telling, now everyone is happy with the house. So what the moral of the story is, or we can take for summary of this, that a person is there, neighbor of Mullah. He is complaining that we have little bit space. He was upset that how can we live. So the person did not satisfied with that place. So what happened? Mullah told, bring first 10 chickens, then donkey, then God. Then the neighbor understood that yes, we can, that they become too much crowded. So he understood after sending the animals back outside, he understood that the satisfaction is must. So he is thanking Mullah that we give a happy and content with the house now. So now he is happy. So satisfaction is must. Like that, moral is there. You have all these things. If you have toy, you have a big toy. Then you are telling your mother, father, please, I want to buy this. I want to buy this. This is not suitable. This is broken for that. If you can see a poor children than you, then you can realize that how much things you have. So you have to satisfy with all your situation. Okay, we can get moral like this from the story. So first we'll learn the keywords. Approach, to speak to someone about something. Approach means to speak about someone, to speak that I am speaking to you for something, some topic is known as approach. Wonder, a polite way of asking someone to do something. Wonder, please you do like this. Polite way. By speaking slowly, you are to ask something, that is a wonder. Bother, to annoy, worry. Bother, to annoy, worry, or upset someone, upset, you know na, sad. So this is bother. Lack, not having enough of something. Lack means we can say that the poor person is there is lack of education. Lack of education means they are not getting the education. So they are getting little bit, not enough education. So we can take lack. Cramp, a sudden pain in body muscles because of cold or too much exercise. It's if your children are playing and sudden pain is there like this here or anything, pain is there, that is known as called a too, because of too much. If you are doing an exercise in PT lecture or anything, you are getting sometimes hurt or your body is paining, that is known as cramp. Convince, to make someone believe that something is true. See, convince means if you children is there, you have to go to picnic. Then your father and mother is not agreeing with you. They are telling no, you don't have to go. Then you are requesting, please mama, papa, please I have to go. It is okay, like that. That you are convincing for anything. For toy also you can convince. Like that, it is known as convince.